Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making Okay guys, so I had this idea that I wanted to share with you. Here I have a cast iron griddle. This one does not have a handle. I will leave a link in the description showing where you can purchase one of these. But the idea that I had is that I had some breadfruit and I had put it in the fridge. So I have my boiled breadfruit here, and I also have some chickpeas, which is the chickpeas from the tin that I simply rinsed out. And what I thought of is, in order to roast my breadfruit and my chickpeas, I got the idea of putting my cast iron griddle into the oven. So that's what I did. That's why I had to use the mitten there. And what I am going to do now is put some ghee on it. Okay. Just like that. You can hear it sizzling. And then now I'm going to take my breadfruit I have here. Now this breadfruit, like I said, is very soft because I had already boiled it in some coconut milk. Just going to cut this one down the middle because it's too thick. Okay. And then I lay it on my griddle like this. Do you hear that? So just put how many you want. You know what? I think I might just roast off all of them. Well, let's see if it can all fit. This is the last one. It's a big one. So let's see if I can do this. Okay. Got another piece here. Take off this excess. Hopefully I can find space for my chickpeas. Okay, so what I will do now with the chickpeas, I'm just gonna put it on so it will find a space anyway. It's not much. I already used some. I already did this process already, so that's why I really liked it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just sprinkle some sea salt on top of it. Okay, sprinkle some sea salt. All right, you can drizzle a little more ghee on top of it. Don't have to. But I think I might. I don't do this all the time because the last time I did it, I didn't do this. But you can sprinkle some ghee on top of it. And now we're going to put this back into the oven to roast up. So like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description for this griddle so that if you're interested in getting one, you can do that as well. So guys, as you can see, it's roasting up nicely. Okay guys, so I decided I will actually flip my breadfruit. Otherwise, I'll have to wait too long for it to brown on the other side. As I'm already seeing that my chickpeas are nice and roasted. So I'm just going to open up my oven here and try to quickly flip this while you guys are watching. Let's see if I can do that with one hand and not burn myself. Come on, don't give me trouble. Well, actually, you know what? So as to not to burn myself, at least I'm showing you all what I'm doing here. But I need to put this down so I can get to the others. Okay guys, so you can see that I flipped it. So I'm just gonna leave it for a few minutes on this side. So there you have it, folks. Our roasted breadfruit and chickpeas done on our cast iron griddle in the oven. For those of you who like to hear the sound of a crunch, I'm gonna bite one of these chickpeas so you can hear how nice and crunchy it has become. Did you hear that? Some of them are more crunchy than others. That is good. It's a nice crunch. Of course, if you don't want it very crunchy, you don't leave it as long. But I like some of them crunchy. I like some of them a little soft. So right now I am getting that variety. I'm getting some crunchy and some not so crunchy, which is just good. I hope you enjoyed this idea. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description for where you can click to purchase this griddle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.